more of an open water right here, and get the boat lane where you shouldn't really be. But we're gonna anchor off here for a little bit and see what we can catch. So Ted already got one. He's the first one to get on. Show it, Ted. Show it up, Ted. Put it up. All right. What's that, flounder? I'm setting up right now. Let me see if I get the next one. Me and Mendez. It is messed up. This is what happens when you try to do it real quick. I'm not giving up on it, but now I'm just gonna have to put the fish directly in the cooler. So we got 2 fish, they were jumbos. So let's try to get a couple more jumbos. I was looking at the fish finder. Look at all that bait right there. Hey, they're coming in right over here. And so let's try to get back on those fish. All right, guys, so we put it right back in the hole where we caught the first one. Let's see what happens if we can get another one back to back. Boat traffic, I don't know, it's picked up out here. I got a hit. Nibble. 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 We got a nibble. Nibble. Sean. So we got one on, we got another one on. I lost that other one, but this one's going on the cooler. Let's see what he must be heavy because mess with my drag here. Look at him. Here he comes. Yeah, another jumbo. Another jumbo, y'all. This one ain't getting away though. We got another jumbo, he ain't getting away. So actually I caught 2 fish, one got lost. This one caught in the lip too. We'll put them right in the bag. Hooked up right there. Should be easy to get out, and it comes right out. Cool, cool. Next to my Gatorade. That's number 2 already. Number 2. Let's get back to the action. All right, guys. So we've been out here. Let's see, for about, I'd say maybe about an hour and a half. Not really close to 2 hours. I think I got in the bag about 4 or 5 fish. I lost 2. One is still alive. I'm sad for him. He's in the bag. He'll probably live till he can't get food and die. Another one, just 2 of them got off the hook. So the bite is on out here. And as you can see, my boys over there, you got Teddy and Mendez in the back. They said they got 6 between the 2 of them. I don't know what Teddy's doing over there. I think you got one on? They said they're good, so it is what it is. So let's get good again, get back into this fish. I'm gonna catch about maybe 12 and get on out of here. All right, guys, so we just gonna keep throwing back in the hole over there. And we got a nibble already, look at that. And we got a fish on. Nope, I think he got off. He got off. Oh man, set it too soon. Set the hook too soon. Tell me that bait. Here, he's back on. He's back on it. I feel the nibble. I feel the nibble. Let's be patient. Usually when these boats create these waves, it makes the fish bite. think I got the bait. I think he took the bait. Oh, wait a minute. No, no. He's on. Fish on, fish on. I got him for sure this time. All right, he feel like another jumbo, another big one. Look at that bend. Bending the rod up. Feel like I'm doing real sports fishing. Let's bring him in. There you go. There you go. There you go. Get over here. We got another one in the boat. All right, guys. He's not as big as the other one, but I believe he's a keeper. Definitely a keeper. It's a nice size. And you know, I'm using the fish finder, but it's not really finding the fish, but I can definitely see where the schools are. He's cooked perfect, easy to get out. How many you got? How many you got? Let's get back into the hole. Double header over there. They got 2 on. Something I haven't done in a long time since the party boat days. Good job, guys. Good job. They got 2 on the hook. Let's see if I get 2 on the hook. Teddy on caught one. Nice one, Ted. Little does he know I got like 2 that side, maybe even 3. Oh, here come the boats. So if something happens, it happens. Woohoo! They are racing out of there. Here come another one, racing out of there. Oh my Lord! Oh, look at these weights. All right, let's go for the ride. Woo! Sailboat coming out, y'all. Sailboat. Nice and easy he's going sailing. About doing maybe about 10 miles an hour. So I'm trying to pull in. I told these guys these fools are deeper water. They are nuts.
Hey, put it on the video. There you go.
They are nuts. We're trying to go all the way out there. That's Long Island. The water out there is about 860, 80 feet. This is where I lost my anchor, right in here somewhere. Look at these fools, postal workers.
Yes, we are postal workers. Yeah. Hey, try to show. I'm fucking We're going deep in the waters.
Hey man, I'm barely pulling these guys. Hopefully we can make it, and hopefully they get back safe. Let's do that. So here's another. I lost count, guys. Really lost count. But these are fun fish. They're fun to catch, and once you fillet them, they're good to eat. This is not a real big one, but he's within size. He's definitely 9 inches. You know how I know? All right, cut it out. He went back for the same bait too, right in the lip. Each time they get in his lip, it gets hard to get out. Like this one is hard to get out. There, he's out. There you go, guys. Just putting them in the bag. Throw them in the bag. Ooh. There you go, with his cousins. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a little break, get something to drink, and we're gonna get right back at it. Alright, guys, we finished our break. Let's see if we can catch another quick one. Hopefully it could be a real big one. Messing up the bait here, it's stuck to my shoe. Call that a teaser right there. Alright, so I haven't been able to catch one right under the boat, but that's okay. Let's go back to the same hole. Right about there. Man, they catching doubles over there. And the fish is already past a transom. There's more coming. Such a beautiful day today. No winds. The winds are like very mild. I think they're only 5 miles to 8 miles an hour. I had a fish on and didn't even know. He didn't even say hello. He didn't knock on the bell. He didn't ring the bell. He's just hanging out there. Let's see. It's not a big one though. And a little baby. Oh, that's why he's feeling. He's a little baby. We're gonna let him go back so he can tell his cousins we here. Let him go back. Don't want to tear his lip up. Yeah, he'll get better lips. At least he'll live today. There you go, guys. We don't went that way. You see, I'm in my lazy fisherman stand. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, look, it's going for it. There you go. He's in. He wasn't giving up. He was on, he was off. Took the first one, came back for the second one. Yeah, he's a nice size. He's going in the cooler. Yeah, how's he hooked? Oh, this side, okay. All right, so there we go. So we catching these porgies out here. I guess the temperature's right. Ah, he thought he was slick. He thought he was gonna shimmy and get back in the water. So you know what? Because she wanted to be a bad boy, you don't get an appearance on the camera. You're going right in the cooler. Alright, so the bite is on, guys. The bite is definitely on. Like I said, you can even rent one of these things they got. So guys, alright, let's get back in the waters. We got another fish on. It doesn't feel like a big one. Little baby fish. Heat up my bait. Nothing's on there. Oh man, he got off whatever it was. The bait wasn't even that good. We got fish on, raggedy bait, very hungry. Let's see, seems like to be a nice sized porgy. Let's keep him up. Every time the boat goes and make a wake, these fish want to bite. There you go. Nice size one in the boat. Nice size porgy in the boat. Nice. Hey, he just fell off too. Look at that. Ha ha. But he fell off in the boat. Don't play with these fish, man. They got sharp fins. Yeah. It's like, why? Look at that. Now, guys, let me say, when you go to the fish market, you always look at the eyes. You see how clear these eyes are? It's not red. It's not yellow. It's clear. There's no blood in it. He's still breathing from the gill. So let's put him in here. He's a nice size one. That's why we let the little ones go, because I know the big ones are out here. I'm gonna have to clean this bag thoroughly when I get home. Normally that's not how I do it, but I lost my fish bag with a fish in it, guys, like I said before. Boy, you're killing it over there. Hold it up. These guys are catching doubles. Alright guys, this is new for me now. I'm trolling. I'm hoping I can catch a striper or something. So I got the tube out and we're just trolling. The water's not that deep right here, so that's the bad thing about it, but gotta pay attention to the water levels here. I'm like, should have did this when the tide was in. Alright, so I ain't trolling. Alright, so let's see what happens. Okay guys, so we about to wrap this up. We on Davis Island. We got Ted doing the maintenance work. Show him your skills, Ted.
You know how it is.
We got Mendez. He ain't giving up.
I'm not giving up.
Mendez fishing from the island, from the shore. Just caught that big one. This is their catch. Mine is all on ice. Look at that. And you guys, man, you don't have to go and spend $100 on a party boat. Look at that. That one's still flapping over there. Look at him flapping. Flap, 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 flap. Mendez just caught that one. It doesn't cost a lot of money, man. I mean, depending on what your finances is, if you can get up maybe about $500, you can get right out here. We're not far. The Bronx is right there. On the other side of this island is Long Island, Glen Cove, Glen Cove, Port Jefferson, right on the other side. And you're catching fish, and you're eating tonight, right, Ted?
Yeah, you got it.
So with that said, don't forget to subscribe, like the channel. I'll see you on the next episode. The tide is coming in. Whoa! We out, right, Ted? We out. Later, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, I got to get out of here. Oh. We just got bombarded by some waves. The boat turned into a bathtub. I had to drain it. That one-way valve is a blessing. It is.